In this video, I'm going to show you how to add pictures to Acuity scheduling. Now, the first thing you have to do, of course, you want to go to your scheduling page over here, and then from here you can go to the preview and you want to decide where you actually want to add your pictures. So you can put them up top as logos, you can put banners over here, and then you can add images like you can see over here next to your different types of appointments, or of course whatever types you have over here, okay? So we're actually going to start with these over here because it's the quickest to make, and of course it's going to go on here by default. So you can go back over here and you want to go to appointment types, and then in here, as you can see, I have a bunch of different ones. Of course, you can create a new type of service, or you could just go ahead and basically edit the existing one. So if I click on edit over here, for example, I can go down here, and inside where it says show a message after scheduling, you'll be able to basically do this, and of course add images if you want to add them over here, and you can also add images down here where it says image. Okay, so if I go back to, for example, one of these which doesn't have an image like this one, I'm gonna click on edit, and then down here, if I scroll down, I can add an image in here, and I can just find it. So I'm just gonna use something completely random over here. For example, let's do this image here. I'm gonna click on open. As you can see, didn't work because the size is too large. I'll just do the same one I was using over there. There we go. And then I can click on the save button top right, and now if I actually go back to my scheduling page, you'll see that it's showing over here. Okay, so that's essentially the first way to add pictures. The second one is going to be inside settings. So if you click on settings over here, you can then go down here to where it says logo, and you can go and choose the file over here to add a logo. So for example, I'm going to look for my logo in here. It should be here. There we go. I'm going to click on it and click on open, and now I have a new picture, which is my logo. Now I can of course add images down here as well under the instructions. So as you can see, if I type in something like this, it's going to pop up down here, but you don't have to put on text. You could also put on images by clicking on this insert image button and selecting your file. Now again, I'm just going to use a random file over here. For example, this, I'm going to click on open, and there we go. It's going to load in, and then you have to scroll to the bottom, hit save changes, and there we go. As you can see, we have a bunch of pictures or images inside our Acuity scheduling page. Okay, of course you can customize these however you want. You can make these banners custom, you can make the logos custom, etc. But that's essentially the easiest way to add pictures to Acuity. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.